Okay, I just had an afterthought, guys, and there's something else you can do, which is a great tip, and that's on your personal profile. So over here on your personal profile, Facebook will pre-populate you some images here, featured images they're called. So most people don't know anything about this, and Facebook just throws up some images here. But here you can create an image. You can see here, Real Adventure. Click the links below to visit my website and YouTube, and then you can put a few links under here. So if we click edit here, I'm not going to do it because it will show all my personal details, but click edit there. You can put your website URL in. When they click, it takes them straight to their website. You can put your social media channels down here, whatever links you want. That takes them right across. This looks awesome on mobile as well. So if anybody goes to check you out, they're going to see this. It looks much bigger on mobile, and remember, most people are on mobile. So to get this image in, all you need to do is click edit here and remove. It'll have some pre-populated photos. Remove the others and just have one image here. Okay, let's just click the image, see if it goes bigger. So all you need to do is get some eye-catching image, use Photoshop, add some text, find yourself an arrow or something. Make sure it's clearly visible so people can, so it catches their attention. Click the links below to visit my website and YouTube. Okay, so that's a super ninja tactic that not many people know about. So I thought I'd throw that in for you as well, so you can do that. Okay, thanks guys. Bye for now.